又是一年春天到啊，所以呢又该除草了。那么这个机器呢，播了差不多2、3年了，估计不止2、3年了，4、5年没有 maintenance， 所以呢干脆 maintenance。最近发现它就是什么，就是 not easy to start， 它这个 start very difficult。Even I like pull 这个对吧？For multiple times, still doesn't work. So spring coming up, it's time to mow the grass. But before that, I can do some maintenance on my mower. First, a simple thing is change the air filter here, right? Then change oil over there. Then it has a spark plug over here, right? Probably I also need to replace too. Did you look at this thing, right? Kind of that. So I can open it and check it. Do I need to replace one or not? So first step, just use a Phillips or flat screwdriver to open it. Right? So change it air filter is the most easy thing. So actually the one inside is a replaced one. I can show you. So this one actually replaced one. Here is the older one. You can buy online, Amazon or eBay, or go to like a local store, maybe, buy one. See, the brand is Briggs, Stratton, right? And part number. You don't have to exactly buy the same one, I just got another piece a couple years ago. I ordered online. Then just use it, right? It's not a security card. It's not a military instruments, just for civil use. 打开 after you open it, right? Just lift up. So these 3 is just hang over there. See that? Hang over there. So I'm gonna clean a little bit. You see some yellow stuff? Use a towel to clean a little bit. So when I cleaning it, right, I can see some kind of grass, inside. So just clean it, and in the future, make sure seal very well. So this is the place where air go inside. See that? Right, this is the place air go inside. So here is that, see that new one, up, out. So this side facing out, this way. So go this way, right? So when you put it back, the air go inside from this side. Then push back, right? Okay. So these 3 notches hang up, then screw, tight the screw. That's it. So then tight. That's it. Easy, right? That's most easy thing. Now it's good. So there are 2 screws on top, right? I just unscrew it and open it. You can see, right? After years use or dust, and here, right? I can clean a little bit, just polish it. So here is clean the top. Looks very nice. Wow, I can tell you, I got this one second use, actually in 2017, so now 2014, 4 years now. I didn't do any maintenance. So it's time now. So next I can move to change oil. Okay, put the towel back. Right? Put the towel back. Yes. Wire 2 screws over there, okay? Yeah, just like this. Okay, then screw tight it. Right? All right, it's good. All right, it's good. So now I'm gonna change your oil. So before that, seal the gas tank, right? So oil is over there. There are two ways. You can, Google online. Hey, my one is 725 EX series, right? I believe it's 15 ounces. You can get an oil pump oil extractor to extract oil, or you can just tape over, then drain the oil, right? So let's maybe drain the oil. So tape over, then let's drain the oil. Wow, this is just the oil, man. Looks very dark. It's all black. And this is not much oil inside. It's supposed to be like 14 or 15 ounces. So it's really good time now to change the oil. So I googled online, or you can go to the website. The what's called Briggs Stratton website. See how much oil needed. I said it's 15 ounces. So the oil type is SAE 5W30. So just needed this oil. I think this bottle is one quarts, right? So I just need probably half of that, 500, close to like 500 or half quarts, right? That's it. So it looks like it's almost empty, right? I